How to fix the error code 1 in Minecraft. So there's a couple methods to this. The first method is a very simple one. Open up your Minecraft launcher and click on repair installation. In this CurseForge launcher, you click on the three dots right here and click repair installation. And this should work for most users, but if it doesn't work, you can close this and press the Windows key and R at the exact same time. From here, it'll open up run and you should type in %appdata%. Click OK. You should see a folder named Minecraft. Click that. And what you would do from here is click on versions and delete every single version. Once you've done that, go back, go to the mods folder and delete everything in the mods folder as well. Then all you need to do is head over to your launcher and then reinstall the versions again. If that doesn't work, the other thing left to do is reinstall or re-download Java. So how you would do this is go to the Windows search bar and go to uninstall program in the apps and features, and you should see this open up. Just scroll down until you find Java and then click uninstall. After you've done that, go to your web browser and type in Java download. Click on the first link, should be java.com, and right here it should give you the latest version. Click on download Java. It'll take you through a setup that you can later run and then install Java. And there you go. Once you're done with that, it should be fixed. But if that doesn't work, all you can do is pretty much change the launcher or re-download your current launcher. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.